Made changes to your mobile design but want to start fresh? Or maybe you just need to undo the last few edits. Webydo's new Reset and Revert feature gives you full control over your mobile layout. Let's see how it works. This feature includes two powerful options. Reset Responsive restores your mobile layout to its original default version. Revert to Last Design works like an undo button, taking your mobile layout back to its last saved version. Let's start with Reset Responsive. If your mobile design feels messy and you want a fresh start, here's how to do it. Go to Webydo's mobile editor. Click on the Reset Responsive button. Confirm the reset. Boom! Your mobile design is back to its original version. Important, this only affects the mobile design, not desktop. But what if you just want to undo your last few changes? That's where Revert to Last Design helps. In mobile responsive mode, look for the Revert to Last Design button. Click it, and Webydo will restore your last saved mobile layout. Important, this only applies to mobile, not desktop. With this feature, you can reset mobile design without affecting desktop. Undo mistakes instantly. Work faster and more confidently. Try it out today and tell us what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webydo updates.